Moving to a new country brings so many exciting opportunities, but it can also come with a lot of questions, especially when it comes to things like taxes. You might be wondering, if you are an immigrant in the United States, do you need to file U.S. taxes? The straightforward answer is yes. Many immigrants are indeed required to file U.S. taxes, especially if they earn income or meet specific income thresholds. This requirement applies regardless of your current immigration status, meaning whether you hold a visa, a green card, or even if you are undocumented. The key factor determining your U.S. tax obligations is your residency status for tax purposes, not your immigration status. The Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, generally classifies individuals as either a resident alien or a non-resident alien. You are usually considered a resident alien for tax purposes if you have a green card or if you meet the substantial presence test. This test involves a calculation based on the number of days you have been physically present in the United States over the current year and the 2 preceding years. Resident aliens typically pay U.S. taxes on all their worldwide income, just like U.S. citizens. On the other hand, non-resident aliens usually only pay U.S. tax on income earned from U.S. sources. Understanding this distinction is crucial because it defines what income you need to report and which tax rules apply to you. To figure out if you need to file, first determine your tax residency status using the green card test or the substantial presence test. Once you know if you are a resident alien or a non-resident alien, you can then check the IRS filing thresholds for your specific situation. These thresholds, which are updated annually, depend on your gross income, age, and filing status, such as single or married filing jointly. Keep accurate records of all your income, including wages, self-employment earnings, and any other money you receive. If you are unsure about your status or your income threshold, it is always a good idea to consult the IRS website or a trusted tax professional. Did you know that filing taxes, even if you are not technically required to, can sometimes be very beneficial? For example, if your employer withheld federal income taxes from your pay, filing allows you to claim a refund for any overpayment. Also, if you do not have a Social Security number, you can apply for an individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN. Having an ITIN allows you to fulfill your tax obligations and can open doors to important tax credits, such as the child tax credit, potentially putting money back into your pocket. Understanding these tax responsibilities is not just about compliance. It is about empowering yourself with knowledge. By knowing your filing requirements and tax residency status, you can avoid potential penalties, take advantage of any available refunds or credits, and ensure a smoother, more secure financial journey in the United States. Taking the time to understand your tax obligations provides peace of mind and financial security for you and your family.